Hello, everybody.
Hello.
Where are we?
We're in New Hampshire.
We're in New Hampshire.
Manchester.
Manchester. What are we doing?
We're going to a baseball game.
Baseball game?
The Fishercats.
Oh. Do you know what a fish cat is?
No. Catfish?
No, it's a very scary looking animal. It looks like a wolf.
Oh.
You should Google it. It's disgusting looking.
I bet it's that river that's smelling.
Could be. That was a potent smell. What does it smell like?
Raw sewage.
Like you doodled your pants.
No.
It smells like a dirty diaper was sitting out in the sun. But in tap here again.
I think it's like even worse than that.
We were going to leave the game early because it was still wind by 2. And it's tied it up in the top of the knife, so we're going to get a head start. It is getting hot. Hot as blue blazing, right?
Hot as blue blazing.
Whew. The Wicked Explorers of Arty 84 and Suzi J is brought to you by thepacky.com. Check out thepacky.com.